You might have heard how a few insiders are making money with video on sites like YouTube, Facebook, and Google. They just create a video, get traffic, and make money. So it's no secret that video is the #1 way to make money in 2018, with Facebook and YouTube getting over 12 billion video views every day. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem that stops 99% of video profiters from enjoying the success they deserve. I should know. I wasted over $10,000 trying to find that winning edge. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. I tried video creation softwares, making video myself, hiring expensive video editors on sites like Fiverr and Elance, Facebook video ads, the YouTube partner program, free traffic with Google SEO, whiteboard animations, sketches, slides, and so much more. Trust me, I have tried every video software and system out there, but I never felt like I had an advantage over the million video profiteers who were all competing on so-called fair terms. Gradually, what I realized was I needed an edge. And that's where the Video Titan comes in, ready to change the game for 2018. And in case you're wondering, what does a Video Titan actually do? Here's the easy 4-step formula that me and my Video Titans follow. Step 1. First, I use my Tube Titan software to find profitable niches, keywords, and video topics.